Hello friends, welcome to Crisp class. I am Monica and today we will study triangle and its properties. Let us now study about the median of a triangle and altitude of the triangle. Okay, first we will study about the median of a triangle. What is median? Median is the line segment which connects the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. If we take this vertex A, this line segment which connects vertex A to the midpoint of opposite side. Opposite side is line segment BC. So AM is the median here. Now every triangle has three medians. The other will be like this. Here this median, suppose this is M, BM, this is the median. That means these two paths will be equal. AM and MC will be equal in length because this is the midpoint. Similarly, another median is from vertex C, this one. So every triangle has three medians. A median always lies in the interior of the triangle. All the three medians will be inside the triangle. Now let us study about the altitude. Altitude means height. Now here basically we will see the height of the vertex and we always see the height from the base. So altitude is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Here this opposite side is the base. So how do we measure this height? It should be perpendicular. So the perpendicular which is drawn like this to the vertex, this is called the altitude. Altitude is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Here this PL, this is the altitude. This is drawn from vertex P. Now similarly we can draw other two altitudes also. So every triangle can have three altitudes. From here if we draw this, it will be somewhat like this. This is the perpendicular drawn from vertex Q. Here also we can draw another altitude from vertex R. But here we see that median is always inside in the interior of the triangle. But for altitude this is not the case. It can be one of the sides of the triangle or it can lie outside the triangle also. Let us see how. See, this is an acute angle triangle. So all the altitudes will be inside the triangle. But let us see this case. This is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC. Now here the altitudes will be the two sides. When we draw an altitude from vertex A, it will be AB. If we draw altitude from C, it will be BC. So we see that altitude can be one of the sides of the triangle. Now in an obtuse angle triangle, this is one of the obtuse angle triangle. Now if we make an altitude from this vertex P, it will lie on the outside of in the exterior of the triangle. It will not be in the interior of the triangle because when we make a perpendicular from P, this line segment QR we are extending. We have to extend it and then we can make a perpendicular. It can't be made inside the triangle. So see the difference between a median and an altitude. Median is always on the midpoint of the opposite side. Altitude can be anywhere on the opposite side. It can be in the interior of the triangle, on one of the sides of the triangle, or in the exterior of the triangle. So here in this case, PL is the altitude. Here AB and BC line segments are the altitudes, and here PM is the altitude in this obtuse angle triangle. Now let us study about the exterior angle of a triangle. See, this is a triangle ABC. Now let us see what is an exterior angle. When we produce any of the sides of a triangle, that is when we extend. See, here we have extended this side BC. Now this angle, this is in the exterior of triangle ABC. This angle which is formed, this is called the exterior angle. Angle ACD. Angle ACD. This angle, this is called the exterior angle of the triangle ABC. Now see, if we make any line like this, then this angle, this is not considered to be the exterior angle. You have to remember that only when the side is produced, the side is extended, the angle which is made on that side, this is called the exterior angle. This angle is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Now, according to the property, the exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. See, this is vertex C. This angle ACD is made of vertex C in the exterior of the triangle. What will be the opposite angles to this vertex? Angle A and angle B. So, angle ACD, this angle is equal to angle A plus angle B. The measure of the angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Now, we know that this is the exterior angle which is formed on this vertex. But let us see another thing. Suppose this is the same triangle which I have made here. In this case, I had produced line segment BC. I had produced the side BC to this side and marked a point D on it. This BC, side BC was extended. But in this case, I have extended the side AC. So here also an external angle will be formed, angle BCP. So this angle BCP is also the exterior angle on the vertex C. Please note this thing, that two angles can be made on the same vertex, and the property holds good for this also. That means angle BCP is equal to angle A plus angle B. Because what are the two opposite angles? Interior opposite angles, angle A and angle B. And according to the property, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Now let us solve these sums. See, here we have to find the value of the unknown angle, that is x. See, here we can clearly see that this angle x is the exterior angle of the triangle, because one of this side is produced and this angle is made on this produced side. So angle x is the exterior angle. Now we know x, exterior angle of any triangle, is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, 30 degree plus 60 degree, because of the exterior angle property. So x becomes 90 degree. So we can find the value that x is equal to 90 degree. Now let us see here. Here also see this 80 degree. This is an exterior angle because this side has been extended. So this 80 degree, this angle is the exterior angle. exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Now we will take this 30 to this side. 80 minus 30. So here x is equal to 50 degrees.